Dark clouds covered the sky as Jake, a 15-year-old boy, rode his bike down a forest trail. His little sister, Lila, who was only 10, was far ahead. "Lila, slow down," Jake shouted, but Lila laughed. "Come on, Jake, don't be scared." She kept riding deeper into the woods. Suddenly, her bike hit a rock. She fell hard, and her leg got stuck under the bike. She tried to move, but couldn't. "Jake, help!" she screamed. From the trees, something moved. Lila saw 2 yellow eyes staring at her. She froze. Jake reached the spot, but Lila was gone. Only her bike was there. He looked around, worried. "Lila, where are you?" he called. Then, he heard a scream in the distance. He ran toward it and found an old cabin hidden in the woods. Peeking through a crack, he saw Lila tied up inside. A strange man was pacing around. Dirty clothes, angry face. He was an escaped prisoner. "No one's finding you here," the man muttered. Jake panicked. His phone had no signal. He looked around and saw an old axe handle near a woodpile. He picked it up, took a deep breath, and threw a rock at the cabin window. Crash. The man turned toward the sound. Jake rushed in through the front door. "Leave her alone!" he yelled. The man charged at him. Jake hit him with the axe handle. He ran to Lila and cut the ropes. "Come on!" he said. They ran through the trees. The man chased them, but then they heard sirens. "I set off the forest alarm," Jake said. "The police are coming." The man disappeared into the woods. Red and blue lights appeared. Jake and Lila stopped running. Police officers came and helped them. "You saved me," Lila said, hugging him tight. Jake smiled. "Someone has to keep you safe." That day, Jake didn't need to be a superhero. He just needed to be a brave brother. If you liked the video, click the subscribe button for more exciting tales.